This is the bike that started it all. This is my first custom bike build ever. I know you're gonna laugh at all the parts. It's the first one I ever built. Frame, supercycle. Everything is on this bike supercycle, like frame, forks, sprocket, handlebars, Reebok, grips, Canadian Tire, brake set, and clamp. The gold parts. Razor. I know. Back rim. Back rim is a mongoose. Front rim is a stone ridge. Seat, don't know. It's just so pretty, you know. I get very emotional when I talk about this bike. Not really though. I get very emotional when it gets scratched. Tires, United Direct. Pedals, soon to be updated. Yeah. Just taking a moment to enjoy the glory of this bike. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace! Say bye, Oscar. Say bye.